Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will make spinach protein shake. This green shake with a boost of protein is healthy choice for breakfast. This can be easily made at home and will keep you full for longer. This will provide you lots of energy. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 glass of almond milk, 1 tablespoon flaxseed and 1 cup spinach leaves. Combine all the ingredients in a blender jar. Blend together for few minutes until get smooth and consistent. Spinach is a nutrient dense as it known for its rich iron, protein and folate that helps in lower blood pressure levels and promotes healthy heart. Almond milk is a great source of protein which helps to keep your bones, cartilage, skin and hair healthy. Chia seeds contains great amount of nutrients with few calories. They are rich in protein, antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. Flaxseed are rich source of protein that helps to fight heart diseases, diabetes and breast cancer. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.